One of the benefits of having a DHI hair transplant is extreme accuracy. I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and I've been performing DHI hair implantation since 2013. In fact, I was one of the first providers in the country to offer that to all of my patients. With a DHI hair implantation technique, we're able to take extracted follicles, load them into the implanter pen, and do this with extreme accuracy, because as you're placing, you're creating the incision and placing the graft at the same time. So I can lay it to the left, I can lay it to the right, I can lay it forward, I can lay it back. We can create different angles. It's completely different than with traditional FUE, where, say, the provider is doing all these slits, and sometimes it's 2,000 plus slips at one time, and then having technicians coming in and trying to guess at what angle those slits are. Well, one of the problems is if you have a slit, say, at this angle, and you come in at another angle, the placement of those grafts can actually bend, and that can create chronic kinky hair, which is an unnatural look, and it's a permanent issue, one that you don't want. The magic with DHI FUE is that these grafts are loaded in their fully elongated state and placed at the same time, so when the needle is removed, the follicle stays nice and straight and at the right angle and curl. Call me for a consultation at 678-845-7521 or go to our website at nahairrestoration.com.